good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I wanted to go over a couple of things here. I wanted to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled Concrete Contractors Asheboro, North Carolina. And this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. Now, the way that you can get yourself into these top three is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, hours, phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now, the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 2 to 3 so that people can find you. So I pulled up the website and just going over it real quick and bringing us some things. The main thing that you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content you have on the site, the more of an expert you look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled Concrete Contractors Asheboro, North Carolina, if you had that all over your website, it'd become really relevant for that search. And Google would be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your site, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that'll really help your website rank. So I want to pull up one of the competitors in the area, and I have a paid program that I use, and I put them in there just to kind of see what you were up against. So I pulled up New Horizon Buildings, and just going over a couple of things here real quick, I want to go over the UR and the DR ratings because these are super important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your site, and then get additional ones as well. And most importantly, I wanted to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I had mentioned before. So pulling up the keywords that New Horizons being found for and looking at the volume column is going to tell us how many times a month that people are searching for specific keywords. So just to start off, metal buildings with concrete slab near me, 200 people are looking for that. Metal buildings with concrete prices, 250 people are looking for that. Metal building packages with concrete, 250 people looking for that. So this is literally giving a lot of really good keywords and how many times, and there's quite a lot of them. Metal buildings in North Carolina, 350 people search for that. NC metal buildings, 150 people are looking for that. So a lot of really good keywords and a lot of opportunity. And it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you and the more that the people are going to call you, and in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.